Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your chemistry knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which of the following molecule exhibits a tetrahedral electron pair geometry? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Methane. C. Water. D. Boron trifluoride. So the correct option is B. Methane. The next MCQ is which type of bonding is present in a molecule of nitrogen? A. Single covalent bond. B. Double covalent bond. C. Triple covalent bond. D. Ionic bond. So the correct option is C. Triple covalent bond. Which of the following is a correct description of the bonding in a diatomic hydrogen molecule? A. Two singles bond. B. One single bond. C. One double bond. D. One triple bond. So the correct option is one single bond. In a molecule with a trigonal bipyramidal geometry, how many bonds angles are 90 degrees? A1, B2, C3, D4. So the correct option is B, 2. Which of the following molecules has a bent shape? A. Methane. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Sulfur dioxide. D. Ammonia. So the correct option is sulfur dioxide. Which type of covalent bond is characterized by the sharing of three pairs of electrons? A. Single bond. B. Double bond. C. Triple bond. D. Quadruple bond. So the correct option is C. Triple bond. What type of covalent bond is present in a hydrogen chloride molecule? A. Single bond. B. Double bond. D. C. Triple bond. And D. Quadruple bond. So the correct option is single bond. A is the correct option. In which of the following substance is covalent bonding most likely to be found? A. Sodium chloride. B. Potassium bromide. C. Hydrogen fluoride. And D. Calcium oxide. So the correct option is C. Hydrogen fluoride. Which statement best describes a polar covalent bond? A. Electrons are shared equally between two atoms. B. Electrons are shared unequally between two atoms. C. Electrons are transferred from one atom to another. D. No electrons are involved in bonding. So the correct option is electrons are shared unequally between two atoms. Which of the following molecule is nonpolar despite having covalent bond? A. Water. B. Hydrogen chloride. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Ammonia. So the correct option is C. Carbon dioxide. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your chemistry skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.